In this application, money is invested in a savings account at 5% simple interest. After 1 year, there is $924 in the account. How much was originally invested? We'll begin by familiarizing ourselves with the problem situation, noting first of all that we have simple interest at 5%. We're given the total amount in the account after a year, and also we're asked to find how much was originally invested. In order to solve this, we're also going to have to know what the interest is, but we're going to have to calculate that at the beginning based on an amount we don't know, the amount of the original investment. So let's let A equal the amount that was originally invested. And then the interest earned is 5% of A, or 0.05A. Knowing this, we can move to the next step, translate. And to translate, we think, well, we know how much is in the account at the end of a year. So we can write that as the amount that was originally invested plus the amount that the account grew, the amount of the growth, which would be the interest, is how much is in the account at the end of a year, which was $924. Translating, we have the amount invested we said was A, plus the amount of growth would be the interest, 0.05A, translates to equal, and we can write 924. So now we can solve the equation A plus 0.05A equals 924. To solve, we collect terms on the left side, noting that A is the same as 1 times A. So we have 1 plus 0.05, or 1.05A, equals 924. And we divide both sides by 1.05, and we get A equals 880. We need to check the answer. To check the answer, we start with an amount of $880, and we find 5% of $880 to calculate how much the account grew. And multiplying 0.05 times 880, we get 44. So we began with $880. We earned $44. So at the end of the year, first year, we had $924 in the account, which was the amount stated in the problem. So we are ready to state our answer. To state the answer, we write a complete sentence answering the question that was stated. $880 was originally invested.